Alright, Sea Lake Journey members, it's a members only video here. Just wanted to tell you before everybody else, this will be one of the first videos I put out. Thanks for joining us. Thank you all you members for helping make this happen. We are on our last sea day here on the Valiant Lady. Tomorrow we'll be in Bimini. That's Tuesday, and then Wednesday we'll be coming home. So we've had a great time here, a lot of relaxation. The adults only atmosphere, I can only describe it to you as very relaxing. We have gotten a lot of rest on this cruise. We slept a lot, we've ate a lot, and our bodies needed it, our minds needed it. So we're just having a great time all the way around. We met some fantastic people. I wish you all could have been here with us. Who knows, maybe next time you will be. The food's been really good. I've been trying to eat steak every time I can because I don't get to eat steak at home. Don't drink alcohol at home either. So it's been a steak and alcohol diet. This is a margarita here on the ship. I have to admit, the drinks really aren't as good here on this ship as I remember them being on the Scarlet Lady. The drinks are they're not weak, they're strong. Like this drink right here, I feel like I've drank like 3 drinks. They're really strong, really potent. They're not cheating you on alcohol. But they don't have the flavor as good as some other cruise lines have. And yeah, so let me just show you here real quick what the view is here. I'm just going to turn this around. Y'all stay right there. Okay, as you see, I'm on the aft of the ship here on deck 7. It's called the Dock House, and there's a bar right beside me over here. And right inside this door, there's a juice place. You can get all kinds of different mixed juices at an extra cost. And that's what the band is all about. It's very similar to Princess in this. This is your door key to open your cabin door. That's also how you purchase your drinks or anything else. Keep in mind, anything else you purchase, the spa, souvenirs, things like that, is a separate tab away from your bar tab. So we had a preset amount on our bar tab of $425. And we had a zero amount set tied to a credit card for other onboard purchases. So we had to go add a credit card down at Guest Services because Robin wanted to buy some earbuds. She left hers at home. And then she also bought what did she buy? Oh, another bottle of Elemis stuff that she uses for her face, for skin. And they sell Elemis products here on Valiant Lady. So we always buy all the Elemis stuff when we're on a cruise, typically Princess, but she was out and Virgin had it. We were surprised. And I was really happy that I went down there early before everybody got up. And the lady there at the desk did let me film inside the spa. I'll give you a brief view of that. It'll be coming out on a video. And I'll try to get the pricing on all that too as well. You know, guys, every cruise has its own personality. Some cruises are very active, just doing a lot of stuff constantly, physical stuff, you know. And other stuff are more challenging for your mind. You're solving puzzles, your riddles, you're in trivia, things like that. And other times, it's just chill out. And that's what this is. And of course, there's the blowing off steam cruises too, as you know. You just want to party. And here you're free to do all of it. Everybody's been very chill. You can tell it's an adult-only cruise. The elevators, we've had no problems getting on an elevator. 0 problems getting on or off an elevator. It's like everybody knows what they're doing and they're anxious. You go ahead. Everybody's polite, all the passengers, crew. It's really a very different atmosphere, y'all, I'm telling you. Nobody's trying to beat you to that elevator. Nobody's trying to beat you to that last table over there. And it's been really great. So, now here at the Dock House, I just want to, since I'm talking to just my members here, look at this options. The goat cheese polenta, grilled shrimp is the gluten-free option they have here. Now we had that yesterday. I think I have a video on that for a short. It was excellent. I don't know what kind of seasoning they put on that shrimp. Some of the best grilled shrimp I've ever had. And then right below that's the Spanish octopus. Now you gotta like, if you like octopus, you're gonna like it. Me, I have to dip it in something to make it to where I would want to eat it. I mean, I can eat anything, but it's just not for me. Maybe it is for you. The fire roasted chicken thigh. Now we haven't tried that yet. I may try that tomorrow. And the hanger steak is what I've been eating right now, which I just made a short. It's gonna be coming out for you. They put 4 nice sized pieces on little skewers like this, and it comes with the bun and the tomato and the crema sauce and cucumbers and kale, I think that is. And so the food on Virgin, me and Robin from Sea Lake Journeys were talking about it today. The food seems to be on a higher healthy scale. You know what I mean? Higher healthy scale. You know, like cruise food over here is all the crap. Here's your cake, here's your cupcakes, here's your ice cream and pudding and all that stuff that you probably shouldn't ought to eat all the time. And then you got you go up here a little bit higher and you got some higher quality food. Virgin's got the higher quality stuff. Like for breakfast, I've been eating fruit. Blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, which you'll see in a vlog, of course, with granola and yogurt. I've never eaten that at home, but I'm eating it here, and it's been really good. Also had breakfast burrito, eggs, sausage in it, fantastic, cheese. There's more options for healthy eating. I guess that's how I should say it. A ship with lesser healthy eating, they got all the comfort food and the gravies and all that stuff over here. Virgin's over here with more options toward healthy eating. You may not like healthy eating, I don't know. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. But it's been good. It's been really good. And Robin's been able to get enough gluten-free stuff on this ship. And I think you'd be okay with the selections they've had. She's been very surprised at like the bread. It's been fantastic. Some of the desserts have been outstanding. The pizza was really good. The gluten-free especially. But yeah, overall this is an experience you might want to try. Now, as far as what activities have we done on board, honestly the activities are different than on other cruise ships, and nothing's in particularly that we wanted to do. You know, we may have come on this exact same cruise a month ago and we would have wanted to do all those activities, but for this cruise we just want to chill. You know, the most active thing we've done was get off at Bertha Plateau and walk around the port a little bit. And other than that, we went and played. We made puzzles. Thanks, Lori Barber. We put puzzles together. That's something we don't do at home either, but it's really fun to just sit there making puzzles. And so they had 300 pieces and 500 pieces and 700 pieces and 1,000 pieces, 1,500 pieces. You can go crazy with anyone you want. Plus they had all these board games that you could pick from. So we played some Chinese checkers on one, and then we got another game we thought we might give it a try, but we really couldn't use our powers of concentration to figure out the rules correctly. So we've done a lot of movie watching here, which I also want to let y'all know. Movie watching, they got great movie selection, a great TV series collections for you to watch here. If you just want to hang in the cabin and watch a little TV for a while, they've got good stuff for you to watch. I'll just say that, because we've been watching some great stuff that we haven't seen available at home, so we're watching it, and it's good. And Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is back now, so I'm saying hi to all the members out there. Say hi to the members.
Hi!
All right, she went and bought us a deck of cards, so we're going to sit here, finish up our margaritas, play a few card games, and just have a good time here on the back of Deck 7 at the dock house on Valiant Lady Virgin Voyages. Wish y'all could have been here with us. Thank y'all for your support again. We'll see you around the channel. See you around the channel.